What's good, YouTube? Mr. Pentastar in the building. It's a windy day tonight. Anyway, hopefully it's not too bad. Doing some intake tubing from my cold air intake tubing maintenance work. That's what I'm going to be doing today. So, got a couple of tools. I got me a 4-inch diameter coupler that I'm going to be using. Got my flathead screwdriver, my trusty little flashlight. So, turn that on. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking off some of these reducers and other couplers I have on here and putting this on instead. Here's why. So kind of had to do a weird little jimmy rig in connecting my intake tubing to my 80mm throttle body from Overkill. And let me show you something interesting here. Get the light on there. So check this out. It's not as air sealed tight as I would like it, so I know air comes out of it, and I know that can cause a little bit of drag for me in throttle response. But look, that goes right in. Little opening. Hope you can see that. I guess you see a little bit. Yeah, see how open that is? So it's not the best way to do it how I have it set up, because it's not air sealed tight how it should be. Well, actually I'm gonna take off one of these couplers, connect that to the throttle body, and scoot this tubing up, and this will I'm gonna take this off, and then I'm gonna add this 45-degree coupler on it like this, so it'll get better airflow. This is an easy fix, nothing serious, but yeah, let's knock it out. Alright, quick check-in. So just disconnected those two hoses. Bloop, bloop. Look how big that 80mm throttle body is. Alright, ready for the next step. I'm going to hook this back up into here like so, and then I'm going to add this on it like this. That way we'll have a nice solid fit, seal in that air, get that throttle response back. Be back in a flash. Yeah, got it done. Looks good. Looks more tight. Had to get a little creative to slide this thing on, because you know the rubber and the plastic stuck together, so put some lubricant on it. Go ahead to get it to slide through. But yeah, got the throttle body there connected good to this coupler, 4-inch right here, 45-degree, nice tight snug fit. All the way back to the cold air intake filter, which is dirty. But yeah, this should be a lot better. No more lag. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you got any questions. I'm out.